How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Corsair mouse not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have the compatible drivers for your mouse. Head over to the desktop of your device, and here right click on the Windows logo, and then just click on the device manager. Inside this page, you will be able to see the connected devices onto our computer. You just want to head over to the mice and other pointing device, and then you want to update both of these drivers right here. So it's going to be the HIV compliant mouse. Right click on it, click on update drivers, and then just click on the search automatically for drivers, making sure that you have the compatible ones in order to work with your Corsair mouse. Now, if that didn't work, there might be a physical problem. Now, to fix this, there's a few things that you need to do. The first one is you want to unplug the USB dongle, and you simply want to make sure that there is no physical damage on the dongle itself and on the port that you're plugging into. Now, in most cases, PC ports have damages on them or might not even connect properly. So you want to try another port in order to make sure that it's perfectly working. From there, you then want to restart your mouse itself. So you can try to power cycling your mouse. Now in this way, it will completely drain out the power from the mouse itself, enabling it to reset completely. So to do that, just turn off the mouse, wait for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour in order to make sure to once again drain the power out, and then this will make sure that there is no power related issues on the device itself. And so the last thing that I recommend is just using the USB dongle. Now with this one, it's foolproof. You could just use the dongle for your mouse and directly plug it onto the back of your computer right here. Now with this way, you will be able to simply fix your mouse without a doubt. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.